CBS News chief legal correspondent Jan Crawford is at the Supreme Court. So, Jan, the Supreme Court is allowing a limited version of President Trump's travel ban while it's considering the entirety in the fall. So, in the meantime, what portions of the already revised ban will they be enforcing?
Well, they've said that the Trump administration was entitled to essentially impose this ban on people from 6 predominantly Muslim countries who have no bona fide relationship with a person or an entity in the United States. That's kind of the words that they used. And so what that means is if you don't have a connection to, say, a close family member, if you don't have a job with an American company or a position at an American university, the travel ban would apply to people in those circumstances.
So Justice Clarence Thomas, Samuel Alito, and Neil Gorsuch had said that they let the ban take effect as written, objecting to what they call the court's, and I'm quoting here, compromise, because it would lead to a, quote, flood of litigation and more challenges between now and October. So what kind of effect could that eventually have on the eventual arguments?
Well, right, and see, that's the big concern, right? So that in their dissent, they were saying, how do we decide, what is a bona fide relationship? And so they expect multiple lawsuits over that. As someone says, well, I have a bona fide relationship. It may not be my father I have a relationship to, but a really nice cousin of mine. So they're worried that this kind of line that the court drew, where the Trump administration can enforce it against people who don't have these contacts in the U.S., but can enforce it, and they cannot impose the ban on the people who do, that's just going to cause a lot of problems in the courts. This ban, though, of course, the administration said they only needed it while they did this review of the immigration procedures, a temporary ban. And so, they've got a few more months to do that. The whole case could be moot by October. So it's in that sense a victory for President Trump that at least part of this ban is going to go into effect.
All right, Jan Crawford coming to us from the Supreme Court. Thank you, Jan.
Thanks.